Hey, crypto family. Hope you all doing good today, wherever you're at. So today we're going to talk about the rise of NFTs and how they are getting more and more in the mainstream. I actually made a video on them a couple weeks ago and explained how they're the future, and it seems like now a lot more people are talking about them. So a lot of coins actually recommended there have gone up quite a lot. So we're going to talk about that. But first, let's go ahead and cover the market today. So it's nice to see Bitcoin pushing back towards that $50,000 level again after the dump that it did have the past couple of days. Ethereum's pushing up again. It's at 1570. Then the rest of the altcoins are up or down a little bit. Now going to our watch list here, I'm still bullish on DeFi coins. Right now, Solana is down 1.15% to $14.23. FTT token has actually been doing pretty good. It's pushed over $30, almost $31 now. Serum is down 0.09% to $5.48. But Wax token is actually up 21% to 9.2 cents. This was an NFT coin that I recommended when it was 8.4 cents. So already, over 10% up from there. Red Fox Labs, another one I recommended, an NFT coin, up 5.6%, 15.3 cents. Radium, DeFi coin I'm bullish on, up 2% to $7.37. Then you have Benfida down just a little bit to $1.55. And then Gather, one that I basically hold for APY. I believe they're paying out 226% for holding them on liquidity pool with Uniswap, but they are down 1% to 25.5 cents. Now, let's go ahead and go look at the NFT coins. So a big reason why I am bullish on them is one, there's a lot of influencers talking about them. So if you look on Twitter, Logan Paul, I'm sure a lot of you know of him. He's a big YouTube influencer, millions of subscribers. Twitter, he has 5.9 million followers. Now, you can see just 7 hours ago, he posted, I spent $170,000 on an NFT. And for those who don't know, these are called CryptoPunks. These have been growing a lot and people are paying a lot of money for them. I highly advise against this. They're in a bubble right now. And again, there's nothing really supporting them besides the hype. So just be careful when getting involved in these. But basically, he posted about, he sold out all of his NFTs 5 days ago, and basically you can see here that Logan Paul box break NFT matte black. I mean, this $17,000 is sold for. All of these are selling out, so it is crazy just seeing how much these things are selling out for these NFTs. But they are up and coming, and again, they are getting very, very popular. So just looking at the NFTs here at CoinMarketCap, I mean, you see Engine Coin up 14%. You have Flow. It's actually at $29, but I'll show you, I made a video about it 2 weeks ago when I said NFTs are the future. Flow in this video was $18.51. So you can see Flow has already gone up, over 50% to $29 now in less than 2 weeks. And then you have Decentraland, Wax, again up 21%, Red Fox Labs, Sandbox. You can see most of these NFT coins are up today. So there's some big ones to watch out for. Bondly, that's another one that's pretty bullish. And then TVK, so Terra Virtual Collect, that's another one. So these two, and then trying to see if there's any others that ring a bell here. And then I believe there was one that was called NFX. I think that was towards the top. That's another one. Yeah, NFTX, that's another one I've heard a lot about. But yeah, Flow, Red Fox Labs, Wax, and then Bondly and TVK. Those are ones that I've heard a lot about. So keep an eye on those 5 coins. But with that, let's go ahead and do some analysis. So here, looking at Ethereum right now, I mentioned it did have a nice bounce from that 1300 level, and right now we are continuing to the upside. Next resistance is looking at about 1680. So looking at the MFI Pro here, it is starting to curve back to the upside. We have Synergy actually getting a green dot here, so very bullish on the 4 hour, starting to curve back to the upside with that. So again, we can press above that 1680 level. That would be great, and then break through that resistance to retest the next resistance of 1840. Now, if we're dropping, then maybe some good buy points to put is around 1430, and then also that 1300 level. Next, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been doing pretty good as well. You can see here money flow is still curving to the upside. There's a green dot on Synergy as well, with the VWAP curving up and the stochastic starting to curve to the upside as well. So again, some good bullish action there. If we can push above, the next resistance is going to be at about $52,200. So if we can break above this, then we can start looking at retesting those highs of 58,000. So that'll be the next big thing. But if it does drop from here, Then again, looking to buy at around $44,000. Next, looking at Solana. So Solana is right now, its money flow is curving to the downside, but it does have a green dot that is pending on the 4-hour on Synergy. So possibly some curving. Stochastics are very low, so I could see another curve up and another push up to this next resistance of 1530, and then from there looking at 1760. But if it does fall back down, looking for it to hold at 1350. If not, looking for it to fall to about 1185 for another good buy point there. Next is Serum. So Serum is its money flow is still in the green, still curving to the upside barely, but does have a green dot as well. So a lot of these coins have green dots on Synergy. Very good for continued upside. Next resistance is about $6, and then from there looking at $7. But if we're going to fall from here, then some good buy points would be around $4.30 if you're trying to pick some up for cheap. And then finally, FIDA. FIDA is another good one I'm very bullish on long term. This one is starting to curve up to the top for money flow, and then also it has a green dot with a green diamond on Synergy. So looking for some nice action for it to break this $1.57 resistance and then actually go all the way up to 184. So pretty confident in this, but again, if it can break through this resistance, then definitely can see 184 and then going to new all-time highs after that. FTT token, it's right at resistance as well at $30.80. But again, MFI Pro is curving up, money flow is curving up, and then you did have a green diamond, but again, stochastics are at the very top, so could be a little overbought here if we stop here, looking for it to retest that $29 level and then possibly $26. But again, if this bullish action continues, break through this resistance going all the way up to retest highs at $34.50. And last but not least is Radium. So Radium, had a rough time on the downside, but it is bouncing back. It's been in this channel between 780 and 643 for the past couple days. But right now we're looking at a green dot on Synergy, and then the VWAP is curving up, as well as money flow is still in the green and trying to turn to the upside. But again, if it hits its resistance at 780, I'm looking for it to retest 640 and then fall down to $5 if it can't hold that. If it does break this green dot plays out, then looking for a 945 resistance for the next level, and then from there looking at about $11. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and again, if you want to contact me about any of the indicators on this video or about my Discord group where I give my altcoin picks, then you can message me on Twitter or Discord, and I'll go ahead and leave comments below as well in the description. So with that, again, thanks for watching, and see you later.